Shahrukh sir. Pia, Pia, oh Pia, Pia, Pia. Take it out, full. Pia, Pia, oh Pia.
Arey,
Pia, Pia, oh Pia.
it feels definitely beautiful where I am today. But I know for the fact that I've struggled a lot, and I'm still struggling. I would not say, and I don't mind that. I think working hard is something that you shouldn't be afraid of, and you shouldn't shy away also from.
With Salman, so obviously I'm not going to call him and annoy him about every little thing because he's very busy, I'm sure. But I've always known, and I'll always know that he's a phone call away for whatever I need, if ever. And that's what I'm just so glad that I had him in my life as a mentor.
When I went to Cannes, I was like very happy with the fact that my work took me there, and it was not just for experience. It was for my work. I was very happy with that feeling.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. My guests today are so much fun. They're in the industry doing different kind of roles and truly having a ball here. I'm talking about, of course, Shantanu and Sai. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you.
Pretty true, isn't it?
Welcome.
Yeah, very sweet.
But it is true, isn't it? You are trying to have a ball because I'm sure not every day is a good day in the industry. It's the most unpredictable place. But I think most of the times I see y'all, I think you're really, really trying to be okay, having fun in the situation that you are.
So you gotta try to keep everything positive, otherwise what's the point?
And
Whatever
chill a
is
bit.
being thrown at you,
Yeah.
just if life gives you lemons,
Make lemonade.
You getting all like cute Instagram philosophy posts. I'm like, I'm so jealous. Let's just take an Instagram post and quote it here.
it's like those quotes that used to be there, no, keep quiet and move on. Like,
Yeah.
no, what, keep quiet?
Yeah,
It was, no?
Yeah.
Something.
Keep calm.
Yeah,
Keep
keep calm.
calm.
Keep calm.
Be calm.
Be calm, something
Be calm.
like that.
So pretty much that.
Yeah.
But Shantanu, you're not from here, and it's a very different journey when you're not. And you literally this year had a release in Cannes with Love in Vietnam. It must be so encouraging to see the graph that you've reached in a time from where you started, right?
It feels definitely beautiful where I am today. But I know for the fact that I've struggled a lot, and I'm still struggling. I would not say, and I don't mind that. I think working hard is something that you shouldn't be afraid of, and you shouldn't shy away also from. You should do that because it helps you become someone who you will be proud of later on. And in terms of I love working. So for me, when I said this earlier also, like when I went to Cannes, I was like very happy with the fact that my work took me there, and it was not just for experience. It was for my work. I was very happy with that feeling. So I think I love working and I enjoy what I do. I'm very passionate about what I do, and very happy to be where I am today.
Talking about really interesting things. Could you ever in your wildest dream ever imagine that you'd be playing the younger version of Tabu and you'd be playing the younger version of Mr. Devgan? Both
No.
iconic.
No.
Not at all.
Let's talk about that, right?
Not in the slightest.
No, never thought. And also the fact that these kind of movies are not being made.
So
Yeah.
true.
So
The
I mean,
epic romance.
Yeah, there's like a void that this movie is kind of trying to fill, and I think that's so cool because me as an audience, I want to watch it.
Yeah.
So
and me as an audience also don't want to watch something which is like very VFX heavy in real life scenario. It would have been, I'm sure technologically it's possible to replicate something with similar as in Ajay sir ka face ke saath and Tabu ma'am ke face ke saath.
Yeah.
So true.
It's true, right? But Neeraj sir chose a way where we want to separate two set of young Vasudha and young Krishna, and we want an Ajay sir and Tabu to play that part. So I think hats off to sir also for thinking and coming up with something like this, and we indeed getting an opportunity.
and for giving fresh faces a chance, 100%. I feel like not a lot of people take that chance.
Yeah, it's fantastic. But both of you, post Gangu, You know, I know that it must have been such a relief to get different things to do. And for you also, even in your first film and otherwise, you've been choosing characters with women who have at least a little bit more agency. So let's talk about this. आपकी राय क्या है मेरी analysis पे?
Are you waiting for me?
No, yeah, I'm waiting for you to
Okay,
answer.
okay. So for me, I don't think it's ever been a conscious choice कि मुझे ऐसी ही फिल्में करनी है. And I've never put myself in that kind of like दायरा कि मेरे को नहीं करना है, मेरे को इसके बाहर जाना ही नहीं है. I will do anything and everything that resonates with me and that I truly believe in and that I truly love. Like with औरों में कहा दम था. I remember the first time I read that script, I have inhaled it. I have literally just gone page to page and finished it in a second, and I was like, I can't wait to watch this film. And I feel like any film, any script that kind of brings that out of you, then maybe you can have the smallest or the biggest part in it, but I feel like as long as it's a part that will get people to notice you, it's important, and it's important to play it well and do it justice. And I feel like that's where my head's been at for the longest time, that I just want to pick parts where I can probably show maybe a little bit more variation and also kind of go out of the box, see what's out there, see if it works for me, see if people like me, and then.
What about you, Shantanu?
For me, the training has been such where you give uttermost importance to the story and then to your character. You know, so for me that thing is very important. The story needs to be the king. I need to play the part of making that story the way it is, and it should be challenging. It shouldn't be repetitive, because that's how you will also, like, you know, become a better performer. So that's pretty simple and sorted in my head. So maybe that's the reason people say like I become choosy and everything, but it's just very simple, a formula. I will not say a formula, but a simple thing that I keep in mind whenever I choose a project. Yeah.
But कितना मजा आता होगा ना, straight after you did those epic cute romantic scenes with Alia, you got to do it here again.
Yeah.
Romance in a different style.
Yeah, actually, to be honest, when you say it, when you put it out like that, yeah, I mean, I get to play as an actor, you know, scenes which people think that will happen to them.
Yeah.
You know? Something like Dahi Handi. I mean, that is something that I would also want to do. Like, you know, there's a beautiful sequence of Dahi Handi that we have in our film, and I never imagined myself, but एक होता है ना कहीं दूर कहीं कोने में होता है, मजा आता होगा ऐसा करने में, you know, that chawl life and that whole thing of celebration happening, मतलब religion, no barrier, you're just there, दही हंडी और एक लड़की को दिखाना है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए, वो those things, and then even in the song that वो इससे पहले भाग कर आना and रुकना just to get a glimpse of her, you know, those are the things. Like I feel very cute and romantic, you know, that you want to do those things, but you don't get to live in real life at times.
You don't know, maybe you're living, we're happy for you.
No, I'm not.
Oh, I'm also not.
No,
Let's
this
ask
part. So.
If you get maybe even not all of it, I don't expect a boy to,
Yeah,
you know,
of
go
course.
up and break a dahi handi to look at me. I would not expect.
It'll be nice, but it's
It would
okay.
be amazing. I would not complain, but that's not my expectation.
Yeah.
I mean, if he does that, great, amazing, good for you.
Good.
But again, I feel like little instances in your life that you can borrow from also help kind of emote there well. And I'm not going to say if I've had those instances or not.
Sure.
But I'm just saying that it helps to have someone by your side in situations, maybe not the same but similar.
Similar.
Yeah.
And to borrow from that, borrow your innocence from that, you know, when it was the beginning stages and you had butterflies in your stomach. I feel like all those experiences just add up and really help when you're doing this.
Yeah, you kind of, somewhere there's a bank where you can kind of keep referring to a little bit.
That's true, that's true.
It must be so interesting because, you know, you made your debut with Salman, and then of course, you know, you always said that now I'm going to venture in different ways, which you tried to do. But, you know, in your house, it must be so interesting to have a conversation about films because, you know, you have a father who has a legacy. Do you still, like sometimes when you're making choices, do you still go back to these gurus in a way, your father and Salman, and say that I'm making this? Like, do you keep them in the loop sometimes? In the beginning, at least you do, right?
I mean, with Salman, so obviously I'm not going to call him and annoy him about every little thing because he's very busy, I'm sure. But I've always known, and I'll always know that he's a phone call away for whatever I need, if ever. And that's what I'm just so glad that I had him in my life as a mentor. And with Dad, obviously, I can annoy him as much as I want at home. But I feel like we struck a very beautiful balance when it comes to him probably, advising me or telling me what to do and what not to do. Because his idea and funda is pretty simple. He's like, him and Mom both.
Yeah.
They're like, this is our opinion on the situation. It shouldn't bother the choice you make. Like, it shouldn't affect your choice, but this is our opinion. You take it or you don't take it, that's on you. Because your choices are your choices. If you make a mistake, you're going to face the consequences. If you do very well, you're going to face all the love and appreciation. So, they've struck that really beautiful balance. And funnily enough, on Auron Mein Kaash Dum Tha set, so in the set, because it was chawl, I can say that.
Chawl, yeah.
Yeah.
This is pretty
Of
much.
course. I know, cool. Because it's the chawl, there were movie posters put outside. And because it's like 22, 23 years ago,
I know.
yeah, there's a Vastav poster in the chawl. And I found that so cool. I was like, how life comes full circle, because Vastav shot on a chawl.
Yeah.
And now I'm doing this, and the poster's there in the set, and it was really cool. So I think it was very cool.
This
and
meant to be.
Yeah, meant to
be in that way, right?
Yeah.
But anybody who's worked with Sanjay Leela Bhansali has said that once we find that one route, we definitely go back to him for advice, ask him to give us any opinion he has. For you do have, it opens a pathway, because Mr. SB, if he likes you, and I've heard that he really likes your performance and he's really loved you for it. Has that been easy? Does that help when you have such stalwarts to give you a little bit of an advice if you need
But as she said, I can't go to him every time, or I just can't pick up a call on him as if for random things. I mean, but yeah, he's always there to help me. I mean, and he has. I mean, I've had few conversations with him regarding few things, and he has been very this thing. And he's also, he will not tell you to what is right or what is wrong. Again, my opinion is this. It's your journey. You decide whatever you want to decide. So that is never a thing कि यही करना चाहिए या मैं गुस्सा हो जाऊँगा अगर there are a lot of people who will say कि मेरा तो सुना ही नहीं अपना ही किया. You will not even sunao anything. It's like, you ask me, I will tell you, but it's not something that you have to follow religiously. I mean, it's for your own good. If it happens, it works for you. If you don't resonate with that, go ahead, do whatever you want to do. Yeah. So,
Fantastic. Okay, I have 5 minutes and I have 2 things to play with you, so one round of each.
Yeah.
It has to be fun. We're talking about romance and love for a while, right?
Yes.
Like you see the trailer. So pretty easy things. I'm going to give you a few chits. You have to take very easy. We play it all the time, right? Damsharads. But let's see how good you are at it.
Who are we
I'll give you one
to?
hint. So each
Movies
get to
only,
do two. So I'll give you this. You pick your 2 chits and give it to me. You pick your 2 chits and give it to me. And I'll tell you to explain it to him.
Okay,
So 2 turns of each, right?
Okay, done.
I'll give you a major hint. We are sticking to the genre of romance because romance is what we've missed.
Done.
Okay? Very fun, very cute. Let's see. Pick any 2 and give it to me. I like how particular you're about it. Okay, this is yours.
Nice.
Take any 2 you want.
Taken 3.
We're going to play the fun round of Damsharads, but only romantic films. First, Sai is going to explain to Shantanu and then vice versa. Sai, are you ready? Are you ready?
yeah.
Okay, Sai. Let's go. The first film.
Stop talking only. 4 words. Old. This is new, what? Hindi. अच्छा हिंदी होगी बॉलीवुड बोल रही है.
She's being very particular. Poor thing.
1 word. First word. चल. देख. A.
Sai, you can't. Yes, you can't do mouth से cheater.
नहीं. आगे भूल जाओ. बदतमीज दिल. Which movie? जवानी दीवानी. नहीं. बदतमीज दिल is बदतमीज दिल. माने ना. जवानी दीवानी का ही तो गाना है ना.
माउथ मत करना, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है वहां.
जवानी अच्छा.
प्लीज.
जवानी दीवानी अच्छा 2 वर्ड ही है. ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Thank God.
वहाँ से हेल्प मिली है but कोई नहीं. ठीक है. Okay.
जवानी दीवानी.
Fine.
Now should I go?
No. Let her finish.
Okay.
ओ ये सेम वाला है, मैंने सेम वाला खोल दिया.
हो गया ये. बहुत पॉपुलर फिल्म है. It should be.
I'm bad with names. That's the only thing.
Okay.
Two words. पहला प्रेम रतन. प्रेम की दीवानी. नहीं, प्रेम की दीवानी तो 3 हो गए. प्रेम भगवान पूजना. किसको पूज रहा हूँ मैं? भगवान कृष्ण, शिव, पार्वती, राधा. शिव, ब्रह्मास्त्र नहीं, और भी है शिव के अलग अलग नाम. अच्छा, भोला, शंकर.
रोमांटिक फिल्म है.
See, I can make it easy for him, but I want to do the hard way.
But she's there. She's almost
अच्छा,
there.
okay, शिवाय. I don't know.
रोमांटिक फिल्म है. So she said भगवान के नाम बोलो. You think of in that zone. The most was such a popular भगवान he is.
शिवा तो
हाँ, अगर शिवा नहीं है, don't. If बहुत ही popular.
राम, रामायण नहीं, राम, राधे राम. रुक रही यार. राम सेकंड वर्ड.
ओपन चीटिंग चल रही है. ए
कोई तो चीटिंग कर रहा है.
बिल्कुल मत करो यार.
राम, लीला.
अरे यार, I was going to Bruce Lee and everything.
Oh my God.
I was going to
अच्छा, you are making it tough. अच्छा.
I am so impressed. That was good. He really tried. Well done. You got it.
Yeah, I got it.
What does it say it?
Ram Leela.
But someone helped him.
You were very good.
I don't feel adequate enough.
यहाँ पे.
You're not doing third.
No, you did very well. Listen, well done you.
I thought we have to do it faster. You making it hard.
Okay.
Oh, Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी.
This is too easy way you chose.
First
You
we are
are
doing
winning
it
for me now.
luck,
हाँ,
bro.
I am giving it to. थोड़ा difficult कर रहे हो. You're doing it too
अरे हाँ
easy.
कर रहा हूँ. अब मुझे ऐसी आती है.
Two words Hindi.
नहीं, actually I don't know. 2 की.
1 or 2 words Hindi.
हाँ,
Just
हाँ,
dash in the middle.
हाँ, yeah.
2 words. Second word. Bag, thela, जूता, aglet. The shoe का lace is called an aglet.
नहीं.
Sole. Foot.
नहीं.
Pair.
Jacket. Okay.
First word. First half. Co-stars. Krishna Vasu. Friends. Old school.
अरे नहीं यार, छोटा सोच.
Okay, Shantanu, if you can
One
do.
second. I think I got this. Is it hum tum?
No.
Oh. I thought she was saying hum.
It's an epic romance. Chalo, I've given you that hint.
Shah Rukh sir. Pia, Pia, oh Pia, Pia, Pia.
Tea is having full.
Pia, Pia, oh Pia.
अरे
Pia, Pia, oh Pia.
वाह, ना जाने क्यों दिल धड़के.
You can't sing.
No, you always sing.
She said it. So now you think what I just said some time back.
What did you say?
I said it's an epic romance.
Devdas?
Epic is the word.
Devdas?
जिसका नाम अभी आपने लिया.
Devdas?
अच्छा, she hasn't guessed the actress ना अभी.
हाँ.
Rani
तो फिर-
Mukherjee. Preeti Zinta. Veer Zara.
Yeah.
क्या? What were you trying to do? V?
We're trying to make it tough, right?
Okay, we're ending with. I don't have the time to play the whole thing, so just one round of it. It was supposed to be truth and dare.
Okay.
Who wants to take truth? Who wants to take dare? Truth. What is one annoying quality about your co-star? Now you
This
can
one?
pick. Yeah.
What's up? Come on.
No, Raja, what's up? Not annoying.
Yeah.
You chose truth. His, which is taken dare. ये तो मतलब full.
फंसा हुआ हूँ.
About Shantanu only have to give annoying quality.
If you want to choose somebody else also, but Shantanu
He doesn't
100%.
have an annoying. I think his annoying quality. He doesn't have an annoying quality.
Wow, what an annoying quality to have.
Chalo. This is very something could have been said.
हाँ.
नहीं, that's your answer.
Yes,
चलो, okay, truth. Dare. You will have to do mimicry of Mr. Ajay Devgan.
I can't.
Kuch to ek attempt. One dialogue. Come on.
अरे ना
There, I have given you such an easy
You
dare.
know.
दुश्मनों में हाँ दुश्मन
दुश्मन थे हम ही अपने और वो में कहाँ दम था.
yeah lovely
Both of them are like, no, I can't. ऐसे फूक के करने रखे जाइए. But no, I think you've done well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
It's
much.
over. Don't look so scared. It was nice only you were doing.
हाँ I'm not scared. Like हाँ ठीक है यार.
But it's okay. It was a nice mimicry. But thoda you could have done something else also. But I can see you hold back.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
You should have taken there.
yeah see
That's more like it. That's more like it. But thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
It's wonderful. I feel like both of you are raring to go and looking for opportunities. I hope you get so many more. And sending you lots of love.
Thank you.
This was a lovely interview.
Thank you.